Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I've got another brilliant 5-ingredient recipe for you, and it's for chicken with sweet potatoes. It's one of those amazingly quick, easy ones, and we're making it even quicker by reducing the washing up and cooking it in a foil tray in the air fryer. So if you want easiness, we've got the 5 ingredients, we've got the tray, so let's get it going, shall we? So let's talk about the ingredients that are in this chicken and potatoes recipe. This is going to be to do 2 different recipes, but I want to save on washing up, so I've got it all prepped together. And then this is my prepped sweet potato cubes. And then I've also got, to finish off my 5 ingredients, I've got garlic infused olive oil, so I can have a bit of garlic in the recipe, some oregano and some basil, and then of course salt and pepper's never included in 5 ingredient recipes, so we've got that as well. So to start with, I recommend sweet potatoes, drizzling them with some olive oil, adding in a generous seasoning of oregano, bit of basil, salt, pepper, and then we're going to finish this off by adding in some of the chicken. So like I said, I'm using this chicken across more than one recipe, so I'm aiming for about half, and then get your hands in. Give it a good mix, and then this will get the olive oil and all the herbs and everything across the chicken and the sweet potatoes. And you want to make sure you haven't got one piece of chicken or one piece of sweet potato that's absolutely covered, because we want an even coating. And then once you're happy, it's ready to go in. I mean, doesn't that look fantastic? And it's so simple for a chicken and a potato recipe for dinner in the air fryer. So I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe, and then I can get it on. So chicken to one side for my other recipe that I'm using with it. So if you want the other recipe, it's our air fryer chicken and vegetables recipe. So then, air fryer basket open. Place in your foil tray, or if you live in the US, you might call it a foil pan. Pop it in, and we're going to start it off with 15 minutes at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And if you're looking for more simple time and temps like this, don't forget to try out our air fryer cooking chart, which features more than 275 everyday time and temps. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So shall we check on the chicken and sweet potato so far? Wow, look at that. Isn't it coming along nicely? The chicken's not far off being cooked, and the sweet potatoes just need a little bit longer. So I'm going to put it back on now. Another 6 minutes at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And we've beeped. So shall we check on them and see how they're doing? And wow, look at those. Don't they look fantastic? If you've not done a tray meal before in the air fryer, then I highly recommend you do so. It's absolutely amazing at how soft those sweet potatoes are now. And that chicken is perfectly cooked. I mean, look at that for chicken in the air fryer. It's just fantastic. And of course, because you're doing the sweet potatoes in cubes and the chicken in the chunks, it's much quicker cooking. For example, large whole sweet potato will take you an hour. So this is so much quicker and so much easier. And you can mix and match. So if you prefer some butternut squash with it, you can swap the sweet potato for some butternut squash. You could also do it with some Mediterranean vegetables as well, like some courgette and some peppers and such like. So it's just a great, really easy one pot dinner in the air fryer. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.